Good day. We will be discussing about the importance, benefits, and impacts of genetically modified organisms. Now, let's proceed. So what is GMO? Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, are living organisms such as plants, animals, or microorganisms whose DNA has been changed using biotechnology. Scientists alter their genes to introduce new characteristics like making crops resistant to pests, helping animals grow faster, or improving the nutritional quality of food. GMOs are widely used in farming, medicine, and scientific research to increase efficiency and address certain issues, although there are ongoing debates about their effects on the environment and food safety.
Now, let's move on to the examples of GMOs in the Philippines. Let's start with the golden rice, also known as malsog rice. Golden rice is a variety of white rice that has been genetically engineered to produce beta-carotene, a source of vitamin A. This was done by adding genes from the daffodil and soy bacterium. The purpose of this modification is to help prevent vitamin A deficiency, which is a common health problem in the Philippines. Next, we have biotech corn. This is genetically modified crop that has been grown in the Philippines since 2002. It was developed to resist pests and help farmers increase their yield and income while using fewer pesticides. It contains gene from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis or BT, which also allows the corn to produce a natural protein that kills pests like the corn borer. This helps protect the crops and reduces damage. Lastly, we have the BT eggplant, or borer-resistant eggplant. This eggplant is modified to fight against a major pest in the country called the eggplant fruit and shoot borer, or EFSB. It also uses a BT gene from the same bacterium used in biotech corn. This gene enables the eggplant to produce a protein that is toxic only to the pest larvae when they eat the plant, keeping the eggplant healthy and safe to eat.
And now, let's proceed to the key benefits of GMO. The first one is higher crop yield and farmers' income. GMOs help farmers grow more food with the same amount of land. That means bigger harvest and higher income, especially when crops survive pests or bad weather. The second one is enhanced nutrition like vitamin A in golden rice. So, some GMOs are made to be more nutritious. For example, golden rice has added vitamin A to help prevent blindness and other health problems caused by vitamin A deficiency. Now, the third one is less need for the pesticide and herbicides. Because GMO plant can resist insect and weeds, farmers don't need to spray as many chemicals, so it is safer for the environment and cheaper for them too. The fourth one is resistance to drought and diseases. Certain GMO crops are tougher. They can handle dry weather or plants disease better. This means farmer can still produce food even when conditions aren't ideal. The fifth one, longer shelf life. Reducing food waste, GMOs can stay fresh for a longer time, which help cut down on food waste. So less food gets thrown away before even reaches our tables. So lastly, useful in medicine and biofuel product. GMOs aren't just for food. They also used to make medicine like insulin for diabetics and biofuels that can power cars and more eco-friendly way.
Let's move on to the impacts of GMOs in the Philippines. Genetically modified organisms have brought both benefits and challenges to the Philippines. For farmers, GMOs like biotech corn increased crop yields, reduced pesticide use, and improved income. But high seed costs, dependence on seed companies, and sustainability concerns have caused financial strain for some. For consumers, GMOs help stabilize corn and livestock feed supply and introduce nutrient-enriched crops. Yet health safety worries and lack of labeling transparency remain. Environmentally, GMOs lowered insecticide use and improved land efficiency, but also caused pest resistance, biodiversity loss, and soil erosion. Economically, GMOs boosted corn production and created new income opportunities through market control by large agrochemical firms, and long-term sustainability issues continue to raise concern.